totoo bang nasa kustodiya o wala si Orly Guteza?
Ma'am, I would just like to emphasize that Mr. Orly Regala Gutesa, who is a former serviceman, he's a retired serviceman already, is not in the custody of the Philippine Navy nor the Philippine Marine Corps. So we would just like to emphasize po that he is not under, Mr. Gutesa is not under the protection of the Philippine Marine Corps, most especially the Philippine Navy. We do not have any involvement in his personal or private affairs po, ma'am.
Ano ho kaya ang naging basihan ni dating Congressman Mike Defensor para nga sabihin at igiit na nasa loob po si Guteza ng compound ng Marines?
Ma'am, I would just like to assure you that the Navy and the Philippine Marine Corps confirms or would want to emphasize that he is not under our custody. So if they would want to clarify or they would want to check on the whereabouts of Mr. Gutesa, probably they could refer it to the PNP or other legal authorities. Opo.
Pero nagkaroon po ba kayo nung malaman nyo itong sinabi nga ni dating Congressman Mike Defensor nasa pangangalaga or nasa loob ng compound ng Marines, itong si Guteza, ay nagsagawa rin ho ba kayo ng investigasyon just to verify kung totoo po itong sinasabi or hindi nga?
Yes, ma'am, we did, ma'am. We did, ma'am, the Philippine Navy as well as the Philippine Marine Corps. We did check and we would want to emphasize po that he is not under the protection of the Philippine Navy po and the Philippine Marine Corps. We did check po.
Pero doon po sa inyong investigasyon, may nakuha po ba kayong impormasyon kahit na sabi nyo nga wala sa inyong pangangalaga itong si Guteza, pero meron ho ba kayong nakalap na impormasyon na possible na nakiusap o mayroong komunikasyon si Guteza at humihingi po ng proteksyon para sa kanyang security?
Actually, ma'am, the things that are ongoing right now in social media, those are all speculative. So they should mention names, whoever mentioned those things related to Mr. Gutesa, that they are under the custody of the Philippine Navy and the Philippine Marine Corps po. So we would just like to assure the public, the country, that we do not tolerate we do not tolerate acts that counters integrity. We support actually the Navy and the Armed Forces is behind the drive actually of accountability. And we also would like to stress that we also would want to combat corruption in the flood control, but this should be given to the oversight parties, yung mga law enforcement, mga legal entities po, mga courts po. So just like what our Secretary of National Defense mentioned, that this is not a military solution, and we should give all of this to the law enforcement, the legal courts, or the democratic institutions. We will, number one, conduct an investigation on it, and number two, subject that active person or active officer or enlisted personnel who might be dealing with such situation. We will be conducting the necessary investigation as well as process the necessary consequences if he's found guilty of nagpupuk po ng mga ganito po na which should be given to proper authorities and hindi dapat po na tinatago. So again, I would just like to inform everyone that the Philippine Navy, the Philippine Marine Corps is not tolerating such, and Mr. Gutesa is not under our custody po.
All right.